Are you ready to party, Dylan?
Yeah.
Yes! Welcome to our New Year's Eve party and also my birthday party because I'm a New Year's Eve baby. And of course, we have to celebrate in big style. So let me show you all the cute things that I prepared. And yes, I worked on my birthday, but I did have help. My husband and my kids did help. One of my tips that is super useful that I've used throughout the years is designate 1 or 2 rooms in your house to decorate and just focus on that so that all the decorations and all your festivities and all the pictures and everything is in one space. So you don't have to be worried about the whole entire house and make a whole mess in your whole house. So this year we decided to do it in our sunroom, in our seasonal room, and in our dining kitchen area, which is adjacent to it. They're attached to each other. So this is what we decided to do and have our party here. Usually it's cold in this room, but it's seasonally warm in New York City right now. So we're pretty good. And we have a little heater going on. So we're keeping the doors open so that you can come in and out from both rooms. We have the screen over here where we're gonna put our New Year's Eve countdown and all the fun things. And our kids don't stay up till midnight. That's not a thing. But we do have a ball drop that I put together. This is just some fabric that I had. It's actually an old curtain. And I did balloons. And right before bed, some people do it at noon. They have a noon New Year's Eve countdown. But I do it right before bed when the kids have their PJs on and we party and we're dancing, and then we do the ball drop. So we're gonna do it in here and maintain the mess in this space so that we don't ruin the whole house. Also, to count down, we have our New Year's Eve, New York City style ball drop. And all I did is hang it up, and then here we're counting down the times right here, and as the ball comes down, the time goes right where it is. So it's about 1 o'clock. That's where we have it right now. And for the kids, we have some fun games. We have a New Year's Eve hunt, Pictionary, and I got all of this. I printed it out from online. I found bingo, some wishes, some New Year's interviews. So anything to keep the kids busy and also, to kind of make resolutions and think about what they want to do during the new year, and for the adults as well. We have our party hats, of course. New Year's Eve is not New Year's Eve without party hats. I got these crowns to use and these little party poppers. They're actually from Christmas, but they were on clearance. Nobody knows. And our little bells to ring in the new year. And then we have some assortment of stuff that I found on clearance. I shop at the end of the season and then I save for next year. And we kept all our Christmas stuff up because we actually leave it until the 6th of January when it's Three Kings Day. We do a little celebration with the kids on that. And we just worked with what we had and changed everything around and added our little touches to go for the New Year's Eve party. And people, you have to know this little secret, decorating secret. 3M hooks on the ceiling on everything so that you can hang all your things. We've done this, and these as well have 3M hooks on them. And my hot cocoa bar is still intact, but now it has the assortment of cookies. We will make hot cocoa for the kids and trying to finish this off before the end of the year so that we don't take any of these pounds with us, right?
And this is my wife's birthday present right here. That's all she wanted. That's it. What do you think? Good?